Are you ready to take control of your finances and achieve your big financial goals? Are you ready to learn how to maximize your income, minimize your expenses, and invest in your future? If so, then stick with me, because I've got some game-changing tips and tricks to share with you. First, you need to set big goals and take massive action to achieve them. Then, you need to maximize your income by looking for opportunities to increase it. And don't forget to minimize your expenses by cutting back on unnecessary spending. Finally, you need to invest in your future by putting your money to work for you. If you're ready to transform your financial situation and achieve your dreams, then let's get started. Welcome to the Real World Skills Channel, stories that teach success. I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks to help you make the most of your income and optimize your finances. Let me start by telling you a story. When I was in my mid-20s, I was working at a sales job and earning a decent salary. However, I found myself living paycheck to paycheck and struggling to make ends meet. I was constantly stressed out about money, and it seemed like no matter how much I made, it was never enough. Fast forward a few years, and I'm now in a much better place financially. I've been able to pay off my debts, invest in my future, and even start my own business. And today, I'm going to share some of the tips and tricks that helped me get here. The first step to optimizing your finances is to set big goals. This means thinking beyond just paying your bills and saving a little bit of money each month. You need to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve financially, and then set specific, measurable, and realistic goals to get there. For example, instead of just aiming to save $100 a month, set a goal to save $10,000 by the end of the year. This will give you something to work toward and motivate you to take action. Once you have your goals in place, the next step is to maximize your income. This means looking for ways to increase your earning potential and bring in more money each month. There are a few different ways you can do this. You could ask for a raise at work, take on a side hustle, or start your own business. The key is to be proactive and always be looking for opportunities to increase your income. While increasing your income is important, it's also crucial to minimize your expenses. This means taking a hard look at your budget and finding ways to cut back on unnecessary spending. For example, you could cancel subscriptions you don't use, cook at home instead of eating out, and shop around for better deals on your bills. Small changes can add up over time, and the money you save can be put towards your financial goals. Finally, it's important to invest in your future. This means putting your money to work for you, rather than just letting it sit in a savings account. There are many different investment options available, from stocks and bonds to real estate and cryptocurrency. It's important to do your research and find the options that work best for your goals and risk tolerance. So there you have it, some tips and tricks to help you make the most of your income and optimize your finances. Remember, it's all about setting big goals, maximizing your income, minimizing your expenses, and investing in your future. I just dropped some major knowledge on how to optimize your finances. But here's the thing, you don't have to stop there. You can take your financial game to the next level with the resources I'm offering in the video description. I'm talking about free and paid ebooks and Notion templates that will give you the tools you need to take massive action and achieve your financial goals. So don't just watch this video and move on with your day. Take advantage of these resources and start making real progress towards the life you want. And while you're at it, make sure you tune into our next video, where we're going to dive deep into some of the common misconceptions about financial education and how to avoid them. Here's a controversial question for you. Do you really think you know everything you need to know about money and finances? Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. So hit that subscribe button, check out the resources in the video description, and get ready to level up your financial game. See you in the next video.